ready to transform your Qlik Sense experience from zero to hero in just a few clicks. Let's dive into how to effortlessly insert demo templates and unlock the full potential of this powerful data analytics tool. First, open your Qlik Sense hub. You'll start by creating a new app, so click on the Create New App button. This is the foundation for bringing your template to life. A window will pop up now. Give your new app a descriptive name, something like Demo Template Exploration, so you can easily identify it later. Then, click the Create button. Now that your app is created, you'll be greeted with the Add Data to Start screen. Instead of adding data, look for the small icon at the top right of the screen. The small icon is 3 dots, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Apply Template from the options. Is where the magic happens. Click it, and prepare to be amazed. A window showcasing different template options will pop up. Browse through the available demo templates. You will find options for sales, finance, marketing, and more. Choose the one that aligns with your learning goals. Let's say, for example, you select the sales management template. Click on it. Qlik Sense will now begin applying the chosen template to your new app. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status. This process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the template. Congratulations, the demo template is now successfully integrated into your Qlik Sense app. Explore the interactive charts, graphs, and KPIs. Experiment with different selections and analyzes to understand how the template works and how you can customize it for your own data.